Hello viewers, Holi is around the corner, but where is the Holi sale? People are asking me many questions regarding the dates and offers on Holi sale in Flipkart.com as well as in Amazon.in. Flipkart has not yet teased any kind of Holi sale. They are teasing that Big Budget Days sale will commence on 6th of March 2026. This year Holi sale will start after Holi. If you want to know the exact date of Holi sale, in that case the Holi sale will start on 17th of March and it will last 1 week. So I think you should not buy any tablet or iPad in the budget sale because that will not offer any good discount. However, they are teasing that they will give very good discounts on Redmi Pad Pro tablet. So when the sale will start, only then I can say whether the deal is good enough or not. And if you want to buy any tablet in Holi sale, in that case you can get discounts on credit cards like HDFC, Axis Bank credit card, ICICI Bank credit card, etc. But if you have only SBI credit card, in that case you can avail discounts on Big Budget Days sale because Flipkart is offering discount on SBI credit card and you can get up to 1.5k discounts on tablets. But if you want to buy any tablet in Big Budget Days sale, you have to buy that tablet just at the start of the sale because the seller will increase the price after few hours of the sale. So if you want to buy, you have to buy at the earliest opportunity. Now if you are planning to buy Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 AP Plus, in that case the best price is 38 to 40,000 rupees maximum. So if you get this pricing, you can definitely buy Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 AP Plus. If you want to buy iPad Air M3, in that case the best price for this iPad is 42,000 rupees maximum, but I don't think you will get this pricing in this sale. So you have to wait for another sale to buy iPad Air M3 from Amazon.in. Similarly, if you are planning to buy Redmi Pad Pro, in that case the best price for this tablet is around 22,000 rupees for the 128GB variant. And if you want to buy the 256GB, in that case 25,000 would be maximum price that you can pay for this tablet. Next, if you are planning to buy Xiaomi Pad 7, in that case for the 128GB you can pay around 21,000 rupees maximum for the 128GB variant. Next, if you are planning to buy iPad 11th generation, in that case the best price would be around 28,000 rupees, maximum 29,000 rupees, but not above that. Now if you want to buy any TWS under the price point of 1.5k, in that case you can consider Oppo Enco Buds 3 Pro. I have been testing these earbuds for a couple of days and the result is actually positive. I am getting excellent battery life. The sound quality is also very good, though there is no deep bass and there is no ANC, but you can rely on this even without ANC. So I think this is one of the best TWS that you can buy under the price point of 1.4k. I have bought this TWS at around 1,400 rupees and I think this is one of the best TWS that I am using right now. The size of this TWS is little bit on the smaller size that fits very good on my ear. If you want to know more about this TWS, let me know in the comment sections below. I will make a dedicated review video of this TWS. So finally, in the conclusion, wait for the right offers in Holi sale or even in Big Budget Days sale. I will let you know about the best deals and offers. So stay subscribed with the notification bell on so that you don't miss whenever I upload any video. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.